Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting batch which is nothing but Embed dashboards and report charts on lightning pages. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce Advanced Admin certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is create a report and dashboard. So once if you launch your playground, by clicking on this app launcher, I'm just going to search for sales. So once if you get the result, click on it. So once if you open sales, just make a click on this reports. So here we are just going to create a new report. Click on new report, and for select a report type, I'm just going to search for opportunities. So once if you get the result, click on opportunities followed by start report. So guys, here by clicking on this filters, I'm just going to make a click again on this close date, and we are going to change this range as all time followed by apply. So once if it is done, let's go back to outline. So here in group rows, I'm just going to search for industry followed by stage. So make sure that you are adding industry at first followed by stage. So once if you do that, I'm just going to click on this add chart which is next to save and run. So once if it is done, now click on save and run. Let's copy your report name which is given right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, scroll down and click on select folder followed by new folder right over here. Let's copy our folder label as well. So copy this and paste it over here, and now click on save followed by select folder and click on save again. So once if it is done, let's go to our dashboards followed by new dashboard. Let's copy our dashboard name which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. So let's copy our description which is given as pipeline summary and paste it over here. And now just click on select folder followed by created by me, and now just make a click on new folder. Let's copy our folder label as well which is given right over here and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save followed by select folder followed by create. So guys, here I'm just going to click on this component and just select this opportunity stages followed by select. So make sure that you have selected horizontal bar chart by default. Now click on add. So I'm just going to click on this component again followed by opportunity stages followed by select, and now we are just going to select downward chart. Just make a click on it. So if you scroll down, you will find this title. So here I'm just going to make a change as industries. So once if it is done, click on add and just drag this next to opportunity stages, and now click on save. So once if it is saved, click on done. That's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining 2 challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.